Let's go over percent increase and percent decrease. I've seen some students who are taught two different formulas for this, but there's actually just one formula. If when you use this one formula, though, you have to use some type of logic. If you get a positive percent, it means that there was an increase. If you have a negative percent, that means you had a percent decrease. Okay, so you can have a percent increase or decrease for a number of things. Maybe a percent increase in your pay. Maybe there was a percent decrease or increase in the price of something, or a percent increase or decrease in attendance at a game. A number of different things. But the formula is just simply the new value minus the original value divided by the original value and then multiplied by 100%. We're not going to change this to a decimal. We're just going to keep this as 100% at the end. So, for example, let's say the price of gas. Okay, let's say it was originally $5 per gallon. Okay, but the price went down. The new value is $4. So let's just use this formula to figure out what the percent change was. So the new value is 4 minus the original value 5, and we're going to divide it by the original value and multiply it by 100%. Okay, so 4 minus 5, it's negative 1 over 5 times 100%. Negative 1 divided by 5 is negative 0.20 times 100%. And if we multiply that, we get negative 20%. Okay, so there's a 20% change, and it was a negative change, meaning it went down. So we had a 20% decrease. Let's flip this. So let's start over. Well, again, we'll do price of gas. Okay, let's say it was originally $4 and the price went up. Say the new price is $5. So I'm going to abbreviate the formula. New value minus the original value divided by the original value times 100%. So we have the new value, which is 5, minus the original value, 4, divided by the original value, which is 4, times 100%. 5 minus 4 is 1, so we have 1 over 4 times 100%. 1 divided by 4 is 0.25 times 100%. And if we multiply that, we'll get 25%. Okay, notice that this is actually positive 25%. If there's no sign, it's positive. So what that means is that it actually was an increase. So we had a 25% increase. And this should make sense because it went from $4 to $5. So we know it's an increase. The positive percent just reaffirms that. So just do new value minus original value divided by the original value, then multiply 100%, and you'll get your percent change, whether it's an increase or a decrease.